Hey, what's poppin'? I'm back at you one more time. Just a little rhyme for the end of the night, from my heart to yours, from yours back to mine. This is Straight Paper coming at you, 4 o'clock in the morning. Let me tell you what happened to me. Alright? So, I picked Tony out because I figured it'd be the best song for you to hear, and maybe you can see. But you don't hear me though. Alright? Check it. I drove all the way up to the upper part of the mountains to be with somebody that I thought I was going to fall in love with. But all I did was get hit with something called that big old battleship. Yeah, my eyes were closed, my mind was wide open, but my heart was bleeding from a tender thought. Guess what, y'all? Brother drove 1,900 miles to damn near had default. But let me tell you what happened in exchange for what happened to me then is what's happening to me now. Do you see this smile on my face? It damn sure ain't no frown. I was blessed with a young, beautiful thing that imagined me, that made my heart tingling, made my mind ring. I said, damn, I didn't know there was such thing as that called that beautiful thing. But let me tell you what happened. Let me tell you about this beautiful, sweet thing. She enticed my light, brought things to me, brought a new light, something that my eyes were closed from before. Damn, I had no business that the world would open up a new door. But I was blessed with something beautiful, something that makes me stay awake at night, makes me want to see the daylight, makes me want to smile, alright? So fall back and relax and let me tell you what happened to Big Larry, because it went down, you see? I ran into something beautiful, something soft, something pushing a coach with 2 babies, having to walk. And me pulling up in a 2008, I said, damn, this is a situation. But I thought, nah, must be too late. But I wasn't, because God led me on that journey, led me on that path, led me right next to that young lady. Next thing you know, I was sitting back giving her a beautiful bubble bath. Can I tell you how to connect with somebody? And I'm talking about connecting not from just a physical place. I'm talking about that mind thing, you know, that ultimate thing called face to face. Damn, y'all don't hear me though. What I'm telling you about is that connect is so real that you feel it from your inside out. She makes you want to stand on the corner, makes you want to shout. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. It's that thing that makes you sit back and ponder things for a while. But then you have to think, damn, it's a wonderful thing when somebody makes your heart smile. So, what I'm telling you, if I can do it, then you can do it too. Put your heart into it and it's gonna go right through. It's an enjoyable thing today, sweetheart. Fall back and let things come your way. I thought I was tired, I thought I was sleepy, I thought I just wanted to go to bed just because she was there. But to tell you the truth, makes this man ravenous. Makes me want to just go in there and pull her hair. You know that thing called despair? And place it there? Yeah, it's been known to happen. I've been in a fight at night, alright? But I'm smiling because it's a wonderful thing to have someone in your corner that loves you unconditionally. So, I guess what I'm saying as I begin this, in this silly love song, is I want you to bow your head tonight and pray to God that he'll find you someone to get along. Because if he can do it for this brother, then he can do it for you, sister, or that other brother. I'm telling you, pray for us, sweetheart. There will be another. Until then, Straight Paper's gonna fall back and tell you one thing. Holla. Peace. Yeah, that was butter. Yeah, that was butter.